Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Wednesday. It's Chris here, and I am popping on here with a quick tip for those of you who are interested in turning your health, life, wellness certifications into a profitable and a heart-centered business. And I wanted to just share a quick tip here because I am hearing so much BS floating out there on social media platforms saying that Facebook is dead, that it's not a good place to have a business anymore. And I get asked a lot, what is the best platform to use when you want to cultivate community? And here's the thing. Facebook is not dead, obviously. I'm here, you're here. We're actually connecting here, right? So obviously it's not. And I think the important thing to think about is where can you cultivate community where you're actually having some sense of engagement? And I just want to share that honestly, Facebook does Facebook groups the absolute best than any other social media platform out there. Why? Facebook promotes groups. And when you are building a Facebook group, you are building a community of people who want to hear what it is that you have to say, who want to hear what it is that you have to teach. It's very specific, it's very focused. And so you can actually teach and share information that is really going to help a very specific group of people. And Facebook groups is really one of the best ways to do that. You can do Facebook Lives there. You can share valuable information and upload files. You can create a guide section there. So if you decide that you want to do a masterclass or a training, you can keep all of that organized there. You can't do that on Pinterest or LinkedIn or even Instagram. And so I'm not knocking those other platforms, but what I am saying is that if you are a heart-centered entrepreneur, if you are a conscious entrepreneur that wants to grow and build your business by serving others and letting it be a win-win where there's a soulful exchange happening, then you get to focus on cultivating community and building connections. And so Facebook is really one of the best ways to do that. It was actually set up for that. So again, I'm not talking necessarily about using your personal profile for business. That's not what we're talking about. What we're talking about is we're setting up a separate private Facebook group where you can have people that you can build an experience of know, like, trust with. And it's totally free. So why wouldn't you want to cultivate and grow a community? Because then you've got soulmate clients that are in a home base, right? I teach my clients this all the time. We want to have a home base for our clients. And if you don't have a home base where people can actually have a consistent experience of you, then you're not able to build know, like, trust very quickly. And the truth is, people want video. They want to see you. They want to hear you. They want to feel your energy. They want to know what it is that you look like and what's going on. And when you have a home base, when you have one place that you can bring people in where you're actually teaching and sharing and serving really valuable and relevant and congruent information to help your people create quick wins, to help them create epiphanies, to help them create amazing results even before they work with you, that is gold. That is gold, because that is really what allows you to be known as the leader in your field, whether it is a health coach, a life coach, a wellness coach, a nutritional therapist, an herbalist, an energy healer, it doesn't matter. Your people want to feel a part of something, and they're looking to you to be the leader. They're looking to you to actually have a place for them so that they can feel a part of something that's better than themselves. So the truth is, Facebook's not dead. And I would encourage you that if you want to actually cultivate and build a community, and if that's what you're interested in, to start a Facebook group that allows you to then invite only your most ideal soulmate clients, right? And so I'm not talking about inviting just anybody. I'm not talking about inviting your cousins or your mom or your dad or your high school people. We only want people that you can really serve valuably. And so there's going to be your soulmate clients that are looking to get some incredible experience from you, that want to learn, whether it's that next amazing lentil soup recipe that you have, or top tips for helping people increase their fat burning furnace, or how to explore your energy field. Like, there are so many things that you can do, but you actually have one main place with which you can show up consistently and serve them. So if this sounds good to you, I would love to hear. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Do you have a Facebook group? If you do have a Facebook group, I would love to take a look at it. So just pop it there. I will post my Facebook group in the chat because I would love to have you join me inside of my community. And again, I do free trainings every single week. I just did a 2-day free masterclass on helping heart-centered female entrepreneurs create their next $1,000 in 7 days. The material was amazing. Everybody walked away with so many wins and ahas and excitement. And that is really what Facebook groups allows you to do, right? It allows you to show up there. It allows you to serve really, really powerfully. And most importantly, it allows you to do what is missing, which is building and nurturing relationships. If you don't know me yet, my name's Chris Williams, and I really focus on cultivating community and building relationships because that is one of the most fun, heart-centered ways to actually grow an incredible business and have these soulful exchanges with your clients so that you can help transform lives. And the 3 main things that we need to have in our business, number 1 is you need to build an audience or have a place where people can find you. And so again, Facebook groups is a place where you can actually build and cultivate that audience, attract your ideal client so that you can bring them in there and give them incredible value and move into the next phase, which is the nurture phase, where you're serving, you're teaching, you're giving amazing value before anybody actually works with you. Otherwise, you're just trying to take a stranger into a buyer, and that rarely works. And this is why so many coaches are shutting down their practices. They're feeling like they can't build a business. They don't know what to do next. And it's because they're trying to just book all these sales calls or just book discovery sessions. And there's no way for them to actually cultivate what is so incredibly important, which is that relationship, which is that know, like, trust factor. That takes more than just a 1-hour discovery session to create. I have people in my community that have been following me for years, and they're like, Chris, I love what it is that you teach. I love the energy that you bring to it. I've gotten so many ahas and epiphanies. I've been following for you for years, and now I'm ready to work with you. That is what a Facebook group allows you to do. Now, not everybody is going to, hang out in your world for years. Some people are going to be ready. They're going to like what it is that you have to say. They're going to take the information that you're sharing with them, and they're going to be able to have a quick win with it. And here's the cool thing. When you are giving your best stuff, when you're sharing amazing value inside of your group, then not only does it create know, like, trust really quickly, but it gives your people an opportunity to see what it might look like by working with you. And if they're getting amazing off the charts value for free in either a live or a masterclass or what I like to call nurture events, then they're going to want to continue work with you. A paying client becomes a side effect of all of the serving and the nurturing that you're doing. So I want to encourage you, for those of you that are feeling frustrated or feeling like, I don't know how to cultivate community, I don't know how to build an audience, I don't know how to find clients, I don't know how to get in front of clients, then please hear me and know that Facebook is not dead. Start a Facebook group, and if you want more information, DM me. This is what I teach inside of Activate Abundance, or one of the things that I teach inside of Activate Abundance is how can you soulfully and authentically and consciously grow a community of your soulmate clients where you're serving powerfully. We come from a service first place, and then you learn how to nurture those relationships so that taking the next step with you just becomes a natural, organic way that they get to have the transformation that they're looking for in their lives. All right, my friends, I hope you have a great day. I hope this was helpful. Join me over in my Facebook group for more weekly live trainings. I will see you guys back here tomorrow for day 6 of 12 Days of Christmas. Take care, everybody.